The Multifamily Mindset provides an incredible opportunity for those who are willing to take control of their future by learning how to acquire and invest in commercial properties. So if that's you, then you've come to the right place.
Our program is designed to teach you the basics of multifamily real estate acquisitions and investing, and then support you along the way in your journey throughout the whole process. Our students get hands-on experience with our mentors, as well as access to all the tools and resources needed to succeed in the business, giving you and your investors peace of mind when it comes to your investment.
One of the hardest parts about this business is actually finding the right apartment complex, like to acquire it. And then obviously you have to crunch those numbers and make sure it's actually a profitable investment. We've built out a template just to allow you to fly through this process so that you can actually turn the focus on other things. Like, we have experts in our office, namely one of them, Zach Rucker, who is available during work hours, and you can call him anytime to get your questions answered. He is literally the best at this business.
The real estate industry is extremely competitive. Without real training and mentorship, it can be easy to feel like you have no idea what you're doing or even where to start. But just like anything in life, there are specific steps that you need to take to get a foothold in this industry. And not many people know what those steps are. Our coaches are experts in their specialties, giving students the highest quality training.
This isn't like any other education program. Our goal is we want everyone who wants to be successful in this industry to have access to all of the information they need to get on a deal quicker by removing the learning curve and adding additional support that meets each student where they are, no matter their experience.
You are not alone. Millions of people are looking for ways to get into the market, but they don't know where to start. That's why we created the Multifamily Mindset, a program that teaches people at all experience levels to become experts in multifamily real estate. We do this through mentorship, coaching, and continued education so our students can make smart decisions when it comes time to buy their first property.
We don't just provide real estate education, but much bigger than real estate education and much more important in all of our eyes is mindset. It's in our name, and without mindset, without the proper mindset, it's difficult to go tackle any big goal that you choose in life.
If you have any interest at all in investing in multifamily real estate, then the Multifamily Mindset is perfect for you. Our community was built by investors just like yourself who wanted an easier way out of the rat race and into passive income. This isn't some fly-by-the-night kind of scheme. We're here because we love what we do and want to share it with everyone, especially those who have dreamed about doing it but never knew how to make it possible.
From here on out, you're in good hands. I'm going to tell you, we're going to give you the training that you need to be savvy and successful in the market. So if you've never been to one of our live events, click the link below, save a seat, because we're coming to your city and the seats fill up fast, okay? We're excited to see you. Aloha.